Yeah, we just delay.
That's delay.
Tavi khot de denga tujhe bahut aane.
We are going to Shingla Royal Enfield showroom to see the new Himalayan which has been launched long time back. So the demo has come to Shingla, the same Royal Enfield. So we are going there to check out the new Himalayan 450cc.
Okay. Ta je abhi ki Himalaya chik book che re thari launch karo. Himalaya 450. Wa. Ondi ta ga dute. Ar bagwar ka scooty ka dode. Nakshi thamu shiu de Shillong da. Yeah, that is Shillong ki langa dinner the pro block. Jam
Everyday routine. Everyday routine.
Yeah, the Kidding Road le so de. That is aja Shillong ki Kidding Road ganza bagba da motor ka ji spare parts da chala da workshop da sama del yore mang che yo.
Jara sha ke baba.
Royal showroom list wa de. Avi de. Tadare avi booking che chha
Yes.
450 ani avi ki changsa da de. Next video avi ki changsa da. Changsa ngela bagwa ji nyewe the diesel nyewe rang mar lag da. So de mark. There. Mark! Are you planning to buy? Or still with the 411cc?
Yeah. I think no, not for 11. I think we stay classic. I'll stay classic for some time. Yeah, stay classic. Yes. Mine is classic 500.
Still a fan of classic 500? Yeah. Yes. Sure. They booking. The color option they do. The color option. And gong de
White commit.
The gong de boom sum gal zero do.
What's your name, sir?
Banlal tha. अभी ये देखो उद्घाटन होने वाला है।
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for everyone for being here. So the weather is also behaving as if it's built for Himalayan. You know, a tough weather, a rainy weather. So it's an all-terrain weather. You know, you can test the bike. Thank you. We'll just follow the unveiling. What do you mean? Okay, sorry.
So, for the unveiling of the first bike, I would like to call the president of Riram, our dealer principal Sir Sahil, and ambassador or the president of Kefi Racers. Please come in front. And for the second bike, I would like to call the president of Son of the Hill, a fellow rider from Punabul Rider, and a rider from Cloudburst Leopards.
Welcome. What a new piece. So we'll do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Start. First time.
Babadi.
I like the black one.
Black one. You want to change your color?
No, it's okay. Whatever I book, I'm happy with whatever I get.
Yeah, Babadi Unveiling is 450cc. Avinash की color grey ना शा grey. अरे list हमको लगे शा. अभी list हमको लगे शा. बाबा तर से देखो दादा शेरपा इंजन 450 on
196.
huh? Nangko juga di seat mati height chung ada seat dia roa. Hari seat tadi cukup difference ada ya. Bapak height pura cepat je. Di kau di seat thua dia sah. Oh, deh Habi.
Oh, sorry.
Itu kita. Habi di bapak kau di seat thua tu serwa. Ani di nangko di seat smart dia sah. Low seat. Tangi silencer tahu lah, silencer sound ada dua awak. Abi ni. The Interceptor, the old edition. And the 650 cruiser there. Bapak tadi ani bapak yang itu tadi kogi booking share deh. Kadi lagi ham masuk Avinash ke. Joko raya chances tu January 2022 sare. Oh ya Allah so ani next time the next video kurang chance re ani never do video zero na kurang chance re next day. Yeah, bye Abi.
So bye.
Right, bye.
I'm keeping the bike here. I'll come and take it later.